Nats has gone through, pardon my language by the way, and Nats has gone through even worse life so far. We're like, yo, all we have to manage, and we were like so depressed. And the worst part is we couldn't even have shared it with any friends or family that our daughter was delayed. So we tried to make everything feel as normal as possible because people in Jamaica just don't understand. They're not that they just don't understand, but they are like legit. They don't have any sympathy, they don't have any empathy for persons who have kids with developmental delays or any form of thing like that. And we were like, you know what? We cannot allow our daughter to grow up in Jamaica because there's going to be little to no option for her to survive in terms of independence and get the help that she needs. And that was when we started thinking about Canada again. We started thinking about Canada again, not because of us, but because of our daughter, really. So that really pushed us now at the point in time that we decided that, you know what, we're gonna make a